Here's my updated version of my Lego City Fire Station. And, let's just start off with this one. See, this one usually goes to medical calls or fires, whatnot. 2 seats, the lights up in front, on top, and right here, a fire extinguisher. And that's like that thing, like you put your handprints in the wall, then they can see the handprint during fires. And then here, good old drug box for medical. Might add some stuff soon. An axe on the top, a couple lights. Back here, part of a breathing apparatus, a safety tape. A little breathing apparatus thing right there. And you got the controller for the hose. Another light. Got the hose right there. The thing broke off, so it can only be like that. And then I got the Halligan, whatever it's called, the crowbar, something like that. It stays in that garage. Yeah, I'll save it all. And then updated this one just a bit. It's got 4 grill lights. And then you got the walkie-talkie, and in here, it's an AED, pretty much. Just added that last night. And then these double doors back here. It's breathing apparatus. And then there's a IV shot, which can't really show. And it's drug box, as well as a breathing apparatus, oxygen tank. And it stays in this garage. These guys get calls just about every day, because, you know, I always play on this. So back here we got the battalion chief. Not really any updates, and it's got the back. And then, yeah. And then we have this one. Whoops. Okay. There's a little breathing apparatus. Right there. It's a little off-road truck for fires. Stuff to it. And then this one. Of course, it's got the sprayer there. And then then we have the grill lights, the breathing apparatus, and the tank in there for water, which can do like a 360 kind of thing. There's a little breathing apparatus part. And right here, they don't get called out much at all. Unless there's like a huge technical rescue way in the hills. These will come out. Mainly it's for brush fires. It's probably going to be out of season because out of service for the season. Because, you know, there's no fires in November, December, January, and all that. And here's a spare truck. It's got the lights and everything. A fire extinguisher. And here's part of the breathing apparatus. Then, you know, the little hose thing. See how much water. There's another one there, hose. And back here, drug box for medical. Then you got the walkie-talkie and the shovel and all that. It's used for, you know, extra calls. If one breaks down, it'll take its place. And we really updated it in here with the kitchen. They're just having a meeting, so I accidentally left them there. And I made a little walkway now. Huge countertop. 2 chairs still. And then I expanded the counter just a little bit. And a bench press. And that person's running on the treadmill. I don't know what she's doing, but yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you this one, I think. Well, either way, it's just used for extra medical fires, pretty much. All this kind of stuff. And they have the bathroom with a little toilet. A little shower head you can move. And that guy right there. And he's just watching TV. And right there got the beds with him just staring out the window for no apparent reason. Let's get the Bill Lake City sign. Of course, it's got like a little hurricane, tornado siren right there. And the dog, just call him Brownie. Something. Well, you know, his name is Meatball. That's pretty much it. And, yeah.